Today we'll start with lesson number 3, that is Flopsy Bunnies. Flopsy and Benjamin Bunny had little rabbit children. What they had? They had little rabbit children. Who had? Flopsy and Benjamin. These two rabbits had little rabbit children. And these children's named were named as Flopsy Bunnies. What they were named as? Flopsy Bunnies. Now what happened? Let us see. When they had too much of litters, the Flopsy Bunnies loved to eat. Now these rabbits, what they like to eat. Of all the things they loved to eat, they loved lettuce the most. And lettuce is a type of, it is like a cabbage. Means we usually use it for salad, or when we are making burgers, or in the salad we use this vegetable. When there wasn't enough food, Benjamin used to borrow cabbages from Flopsy's brother. When there was very less food for these rabbit children to eat, then what Benjamin used to do? He used to borrow cabbages from Flopsy's brother. Peter Rabbit, who had a vegetable garden. Now what Peter Rabbit? He had a vegetable garden. But sometimes Peter Rabbit had no extra cabbages. But what happened? Even though he had a garden, vegetable garden, but sometimes he ran short of cabbages. He was not having cabbages. When this happened, the Flopsy Bunnies went across the field to a spot outside Mr. McGregor's garden. To spot outside Mr. McGregor's garden. Here they found jam pots, paper bags, mountains of chopped grass, some rotten vegetables, and an old boot or two. See, here they are. The jam pot with paper bags, chopped grass. See, these Flopsy Bunnies are here. One day, oh joy, they found some lettuce which Mr. McGregor had thrown away. One day what happened? They became very happy. Why they became very happy, these bunnies? Because they had found some lettuce. Where they were thrown? They were thrown away in the field which Mr. McGregor had thrown away. Benjamin and Flopsy Bunnies stuffed themselves with lettuce. Now what? When they saw the lettuce, what they did? They had nicely till their stomach fill they had. Then after one another, they felt sleepy and laid down in the chopped grass. Means what happened? Their stomach was very full, so they felt very sleepy. Now same thing what happens when we also eat stomach full in the afternoon or in the night. What happens? We feel lazy and we feel sleepy. We want to sleep when our stomach is full. The same thing is with the bunny rabbits also. It is said that eating too much of lettuce makes you sleepy. Means it is told that when you eat this vegetable too much, you feel sleepy. It certainly made the Flopsy Bunnies fall into a deep sleep. Benjamin was not as sleepy as his children. Now Benjamin was not as sleepy as the children. Before going to sleep, he put a paper bag over his head. Now what he did before going to sleep? He put a paper bag over his head and he went to sleep. The little Flopsy Bunnies slept delightfully in the warm sun. Means it was nice, cozy and warm they were feeling, so they went to sleep. From the lawn behind the garden came the distant clackety sound. Clackety sound is a sharp noise of two objects. Means when two objects are touching, means there was one sharp noise of the moving machine. The blue bottles buzzed about the wall. Blue bottles are a name of a fly with blue body.